Hello, I am Annie, and these are my musings. Today's video is about how to be a YouTuber for beginners by me, who is a beginner myself. First of all, I personally believe that you need to love at least parts of it. For example, I don't love editing videos, but I do enjoy filming them, making thumbnails, and engaging with people in the comments when I get them. It's also important to be consistent with posting. Now, that's something I need to work on myself. That's my goal now, to post one video per week and see how my channel grows. It's equally important to be clear on your niche. Now, for a long time, I thought I didn't have a niche, so I thought that this advice didn't apply to me. But then I found a video from a YouTuber that changed my whole perspective. I'm going to link that video in the description below. Basically, I always thought of a niche as the one topic I'd talk about on my channel. The only problem is, I've had channels in the past where I only talked about one topic, and I got easily bored with them. So I decided to not have a topic when I started creating this channel. However, Jessica Stansbury, the YouTuber whose video I found, says that there is another way that one could look at a niche. The niche is less about the topics you talk about and more about the audience you're trying to reach. This way of looking at the niche completely changed the way I thought of it, and I realized I do have a niche after all. Mine is mainly queer and or neurodivergent people who want to live a happier and healthier life. Though everyone who wants to live a happier and healthier life is welcome. Still, since I am queer and neurodivergent myself, I think I bring those parts of myself to my content. It's also important to create content that you genuinely are passionate about, at least in my opinion. If you don't care about your content, who will? And to find what works for you in terms of filming and editing videos. For example, I've found that I do better when I have a script for my videos, as I then have something to go off of and don't have to think so hard about what I want to say in the video. Figuring this out might take some trial and error, but that's okay. Just start making videos, stay consistent, and everything else will work itself out. I don't have a ton of subscribers at the moment, but I think that's mostly due to my inconsistent upload schedule. That is going to change, however, so hopefully I will gain more subscribers soon. And finally, make sure you're in it for the right reasons. If you don't enjoy any of the aspects of YouTube, then definitely reconsider starting a channel. You won't enjoy every aspect, for sure. I don't. But if you enjoy a lot of it, then you're in it for the right reasons. If not, then maybe not. So definitely figure out what you enjoy about making videos and continue filming and posting them. That's all I have to say for this video. If you like more tips on how to start a YouTube channel as a beginner from someone who is also a beginner, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.